era of humanity has sprung upon us. We are going through the instant generation. Instant food choices, instant business decisions, instant relationships, instant fitness, instant pleasure. How do you separate what is good for your mind, body, and business with all of this instant chaos? We agree that thoughts become things, but there still must be inspired action. If you've never been where someone ultra successful has been in the field of mind, body, business, how will you ever get there? Out of the shadows comes a light that will transform you. But first, you must decide.
The most challenging thing for all business owners and entrepreneurs is to hit on all cylinders.
It takes true balance to be happy.
Focusing on mind, body, and business is truly the secret.
Hey there, it's Stan Merrill from A&E's Flip This House, and I'm joined with my very good friends and business partners, Drew Canole and Kent Clothier. We're really excited about something that we've been working on and masterminding on for the past few months. Now, each of us has been very successful in our own businesses and have worked with literally thousands of entrepreneurs around the country. And we've each come to appreciate how the little tweaks and changes in certain areas of our lives have had a massive impact on the quality of our life. We've also come to appreciate that most people have no idea they can really have it all. I mean, what's the point of really building a successful business if you're not healthy enough to enjoy it? I mean, what's the point of reading all the right books and materials if you can't find the drive to actually put your plans in action? Well, we're about to change that for you. Like I said, we've been working for the past few months to design an event that will truly be a life-changing experience for you at home. Now, this event is going to be a one-of-a-kind experience where you're not only going to be surrounded by some of the most successful entrepreneurs in the country, but these entrepreneurs have also figured out how to get it all.
Life is meant to be fun. Listen, you're building a successful business, or some of you are just starting. But what's the point if you're not having a good time? Surrounding yourself with fun people, taking good care of yourself, and having a blast while doing it. I changed my life this past year and decided that I wasn't doing the thing that was good for me. I needed to follow my passion. So I broke free and I completely changed my life in 6 months. I'm now in the best shape of my life, following my passion and living the life of my dreams.
Now, we've worked with entrepreneurs all over the country, and the first thing we focus on is mindset. Because if your mind's not in it, then nothing's going to change. And let me give you an example here of what I'm talking about. I'm sure most of you have heard this before, but most people who win the lottery, they end up going broke in 5 years or less because their mind's not changed. Their identity hasn't changed. And the reverse is also true as well. The most successful people in the world have fallen on some of the hardest times. In fact, some even going bankrupt, only to get it all back in a very short period of time and create an even bigger life than before. For the next 3 days, we're going to show you how to get your mind right, how to prepare for the ultimate success.
Now let's talk about your business, because at the event, we're also going to have some very intensive sessions where we're going to show you how to expand and grow your personal business, whatever that might be. We're going to have people from all different walks of life, from network marketers to investors, to internet marketers, to business owners, to people that are launching a business and wanting to learn how to launch a business. So we're gonna have some very intensive sessions on marketing, sales, time management. There's so many entrepreneurs who are limited on how much money they make purely because they haven't associated themselves with higher thinkers like ourselves that are going to be presenting at this conference. I'm bringing in my personal team members, people that have helped me build a $14 million plus business, from accountants to just personal coaches that I've used in the time management and internet marketing space. If you have a business and you're wanting to take that business to the next level, this is going to be a huge event for you. So to begin your personal transformation, all you have to do is register for the event below. Now you're going to get 2 tickets, and it's important to bring somebody who is a loved one, a spouse, a family member with you. This isn't just a conference about financial transformation. This is mind, body, and business. So it doesn't matter who they are, they can benefit from this conference. And believe me, you will be a different person after attending this event. So to get started, just register below, and all 3 of us will see you at the event.
See you there.
Decide to transform your life. No one will do it for you. Now is the time. Join the revolution. Mind, body, business.